Do you find yourself performing repetitive tasks to update the similar design and time-consuming drawing changes? Hi, I am Ujjwal Chawda, Application Engineer at Engineering Technique. I am a SOLIDWORKS expert and certified DriveWorksXpress associate. In this video, we will look at the pressure vessel assembly and how we can automate the design process using DriveWorksXpress. Today, we see customers are demanding products that meet their specific needs. As a result, we see more and more product variation and customization in the global market. Automating repetitive tasks allows companies to generate more comprehensive product options by using less of their variable resources. With DriveWorks and seamless integration with the SolidWorks helps designers quickly create the customized design they require. Setting up the workflow is a one-time setup. We can set up once and run again and again. There is no need for complex macros, design tables or configuration. Designers can automate repetitive tasks and free up them time to focus indirectly on product innovation and development. DriveWorks uses the rules to eliminate errors and expensive and time-consuming design changes. Traditional design process follows the similar workflow where the first step includes the design in SolidWorks. And then there is a design change and user again have to go through the editing phase and step to change for each parameter required for the new variation. On the other side, with integration of DriveWorksXpress, there will be only a one-time setup and all the future variations are covered. DriveWorksXpress helps company to reduce significantly on time and resources. Here I have created the vessel and frame assembly which has more than 35 unique components, 24 different constraints and can have more than 1000 variations possible. With a click of a button, we can automate parts, assemblies and drawings. We can create input forms to enter product design requirements. We can add validation to controls to ensure that inputs are always suitable. We can also show requirements and add validation to inputs. As well as we can add text box, numeric text box, drop-down list, spin buttons as well as the checkbox. Users can also set up default values and order of controls on the input forms. Once the requirements are finalized, DriveWorksXpress will automatically create a design without any further input from the user. It enables the automatic creation of parts, assemblies and drawings based on the predefined design rules. DriveWorksXpress allows a company to capture this critical information and use it to automatically create the future product variations. Capturing and using the design information reduces the risk that information will be lost, prevent mistakes and allows information to be reused by others. It is now controlling the dimensions, features, custom properties, as well as switch configuration if needed. Simultaneously, DriveWorksXpress is updating the drawing by associating them with driven models, adding and also updating the capture models without any errors. All the parameters are driven by rules and updated accordingly. Users can also check out the detailed report of all the tasks completed by the DriveWorksXpress. Here, all the parameters such as custom property, constraint, mates, as well as the drawings are updated. For the drawing as well, all the different views and their associated dimensions are also updated. Bill of materials and title blocks are also updated as well. By using the DriveWorksXpress to automate the workflow by reusing design information allows a company to leverage the initial design overview. Contact our marketing team for more information. Thank you for watching.